going to do that old Hank Williams song here, folks. We want everybody to join in. This is a great tune here by a great singer. I'm going to get old Hickory up with to the microphone with Danny and Freya here. Come on, Hickory. Up you get. You're going to join in here. Come on.
Came home last night, half past 10. Woman of mine wouldn't let me in, so we were on over. Get on over. Move on the sweet talk, cause the mad dog's moving up to make you. She won't me once, she won't me twice. I don't take no one's advice, so we were on over. Get it on. Move on the sweet talk, cause the mad dog's moving. Mighty small, better than your house at all. So get it on, move it on over, move on to the town, cause the man down's moving. Go yeah, take it away, Donnie. Get it on over, move on the slow dog, cause the big dog's moving. Oh yeah, take it away, dude. Kevin Brennan on keys. William Cole. We're going to get played out here now, folks, by the one and only Danny Alderson and the star of our show. It's the leader of the band here. Danny Alderson, big on, folks. We're the Danny Alderson Big Band. I hope to see you all again. Thank you.
We'll be hearing from again. I have a young man here at the back, Richard Finlay, and Richard has stepped in at the last moment here and he's going to sing us 3 songs. We'll be hearing from these gentlemen later on, and I'm glad I didn't bring any instruments with me because I'm very, very shy and very backward. Where's Richard out here? Right? Please give Richard a big hand. Richard sings a bit of country and western, and we had him on the radio station too. Let me say there's a great deal of talent out there and a great deal of talent around Maghera, and I'm sure you really appreciated these men here, and they're not finished tonight. Now I know you're a bit cold, but this I do promise, you'll be very warm tomorrow night, because I have 2 big heaters in here, and we'll give you a real good toast. Richard, where are you at?
I'd just like to say, folks, that we have you on the video camera playing the mandolin and playing the violin, and it will be up on YouTube at some stage.